Contractor. We have James here, our client. We just finished a project for him, and he would like to share his experience with us.
Yeah, absolutely. So we were introduced to Level Up a few years ago with high recommendations. So I gave Ray a call when we had a leak in the bedroom and the downstairs of our house. So it was quite dramatic, and we needed someone to come and help us straight away. And luckily, Level Up Contracting just, pretty much it seemed like dropped everything, came and saved the day, and made sure that that our downstairs of our house was completely watertight, which was amazing. So in that, they had to actually find where the leak was, because we didn't know where it was. So they found the location of the leak, repaired it, and then they also placed in a new retaining wall. So that was the first step of the job, but then also there was some damage from the leak on our existing flooring. So we also had to have completely new flooring, which you can see that I'm standing on right now. And we also asked them to redecorate and freshen everything up, and they did a great job. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us.
How was the process?
The process was great, incredibly communicative. Every step, we actually, after a week of Ray starting, we had to fly to Australia to see family, and we were worried about it because we just had to fly away with everything up in the air. And Ray and Level Up Contracting communicated with us every single day, and they sent us videos, photos, and it really made me feel so much better. So I thank you for that, for keeping that communication going.
Yes.
With all the process. And you worked every single day as well, which is great. So yeah.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
How was the guys, the workers that help you here?
Very friendly, great team. Everyone seemed to be having a good time. It was a nice atmosphere to be around. Very polite.
Yes.
And understanding of our own kind of personal needs.
Yes.
So yeah, it was great.
Yes, and I know you are not familiar too much with the construction world, but overall feeling, how do you think that was the turnaround? Was it pretty quick, or?
It was a good time. Yeah, it was quick, but then also attention to detail was made, so it wasn't too rushed. But to me, it seemed like it was a good duration to get the project done. So thank you.
How do you like the tile in the bathroom?
I love the tile. Yeah, the tile work was really good. All of the flooring work was really beautifully done. Ray also recommended suppliers to me as well, with short lead times, because we were really keen to get back into our bedroom as quickly as possible. So yeah, it was good.
Yeah. I remember when we opened this floor, it was like a 4-inch difference from one side to another.
Yes.
You remember?
Yeah.
It was like, and then now it's leveled and nice.
Yeah. And it's one of them things, you can't always tell up front, and we found it out, and you came up with a great solution to level everything. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, this is the name of the company.
Level Up!
Thank you very much.
I like that. Thank you, Ray. Thank you.